overall shape of the wall. This is gonna be for the filling the earth bag, and you can see it has a good amount of clay in it. This is our second-hand bags. So this is the mixture of soil, hard soil, cement, ash, and we still haven't added the straw. So now we add straw, and at this part we add more water to the mortar to lay it down on the first layer before foundation.
Right.
This is gonna be the overall shape of the wall, and yeah, like this. This is ugali. We add some water to make it a little bit damp. If it's too much, just add some more soil. It's our bag. So at this level we're gonna test different type of bags. We have a sisal bag, we have plastic bags, and we're gonna tamper it and see which one is the best. I mean, if we can work with sisal, it would be a little bit more expensive but eco-friendly. So this is the plastic one. It's a bit bigger, 70 kilo. These are 50 kilo.
Nice.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
So today we start the first layer. We first put the mortar clay on top of the foundation, then 2 lines of barbed wire, because it's a straight wall and we don't have any other strength on the wall. Then we're gonna put the tires, and at the end we're gonna put the bags. So for perfect leveling, this side is a bit lower, so after we compacting the bags we still need to raise a little bit, so we add a little bit mortar. And now, okay?
Yeah.
So now slowly we put it here.
Everything or the bag?
Not just the back. Okay. So here we are making the arc for one of the tires. Here we have this kind of a structure. The bags are small on 2 ends and big on the middle. So this is the second tire. We're working. We're almost
I don't get it.
on the keystone here. After a few days of raining and waiting for the bags to dry, now we continue the second arc, this one, and then simultaneously we also putting more course for the curve part. This morning we are starting putting the 5th course on the curve side. Also, we almost finished the 2 arcs. We just need a key back here and a key back here, but probably we will need one more small this side. Tiger. Rocky. So today we almost finished the counter. This is the top level. So we put the first key bag. We put the big sack in and hold 2 sides with wood, with a plywood, and then slowly fill the bags, tamper it, fill more, tamper it more, and until we have the like this shape. And after we close it, we're gonna tamper it a bit more. Yeah. We're preparing the mud for the plaster, and this has to be more sticky without touching to your shovel. So in order to plaster, we take a good amount of clay. We put the palm right here and slowly push it. Don't use your fingers and push as hard as you can so there is no gap in between. So this is the next morning. We did the rough plaster yesterday and it holds well. So at this point we're gonna take the tires out. So this step is very important. So we took the tire out and the shape looks very nice, very stable. We're gonna take in the second one. So we are getting ready for the second plaster. We put chicken wire. Also we have to reinforce this wall because this one doesn't have any strong end and it's not curved, so we're gonna put some D10 inside because of the big openings that we have. So we put the wire mesh on top in addition to the chicken wire on the side to have a strong top. So this is lime and sand. This is gonna be the last plaster. We did a few to see how it's gonna look tomorrow. The last plaster is gonna be lime plaster, 1 part lime, 2 parts sand, and enough water to have a good mix, but before putting the plaster we have to make sure that our walls, our surfaces, the surfaces are well moist. So finally we found the right lime. This is called hydrated lime and it's good for the finishing plaster.